Hello, Assalamualaikum. I am Muhammad Arafi. I'm English education student from Muhammadiyah University. Today I will explain about my comic strips. I will explain about what is the topic of my comic strips and what is the learning objective of my comic strips, and does it reliable to be used for adult learners, and then I will explain the procedure of my teaching, and the last one is what the assessment of the teaching. So the first one is what is the topic of my comic strips. The topic is tell the embarrassing moment when childhood. So this comic is recount text. The text is recount text. And then the next question is what is the learning objective of my comic strips. The learning objective is the first one is students can understand the meaning of the comic, and the second one is student can identify the type of the text in the comic, and the third one is student can identify the verb use, and then the fourth one is student can tell their past experiences, and the fifth one is student can identify the text structure and language elements of the context, and then the sixth one is student can present the recontext orally and in writing, and the last one is student can compile the recontext orally and in writing by paying attention to social function, text structure, and language elements of recontext. And the next question is does it reliable to be used for adult learners? Because this comic because this comic has some of past experience. Of course, this comic can be also used for teaching adult learners. So, because with the stories that are displayed on the comics, they will easily understand the material given. And the next question is explain the procedure of my teaching. There are three sections: opening, main activity, and closing. The opening is include three steps. The first step is greeting. Students say greeting to teacher, and teacher say greeting to student. And the second step is teacher tells stories from his past as brainstorming or warmer. And the last step from opening section is student guess the material by the story that teacher told before. And the second section is main activity. Main activity include 4 steps. Student asked to observe the material by understanding the comic. Observe material, I mean, is the student observe what the verb use, what is the tenses used, is it past tense, is it past, present, or future. And the second step is students are asked to make some question related to the comic. Student can make a question like where the location of the comic or who in the comic, something like that. And the third step is students are asked to analyze the comic by answering the question that they made. They made question is where the location. The location is at the school, and who in the comic is there are Bella, Ellie, Ari, and Dennis. And the last step from main activity section is students are asked to tell them. Students are asked to tell the important things of the text individually. So teacher asks the student one by one. And the last section is closing. Closing include 3 steps. The first step is teacher and student review the material through question and then answer. The teacher, for example, the teacher can ask the student like, what is the social function of the context? What is the verb using in the context? What is the tenses using in the context? Something like that. And the second step is teacher tells the next material. I think this is option. Why? Because if the material already finished, teacher can tells the next material. And the last step from closing section is teachers and the lesson by Hamdallah. And the next question is what kind assessment? So the assessment is I will give them some text. The text example, the title text is my holiday. Last year or 2 years ago, I went to my grandfather's house. I met with my cousin, blah 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 blah. I painted some vegetable and fruit with my grandfather, blah 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 blah, something like that. And then I will ask them to read, and then I will ask them to find the verb between some words. For example, the question is there are 3 words: house, vegetables, and went. So from the option, the student should choose the right one. So the answer is when, because the question is to find the verb between some words. That's my assessment from my teaching. So I think this is enough for me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.